Here we are in the peak extrusion line. This line is developed for wire where the specification is requested for 800 voltage and for high chemical resistance and compatibility, so for high request. The line permits to produce rectangular shaped wire for the Hairpin technology, and for this reason we start with an inline drawing machine where from a round wire we have a drawing system that permits to create the rectangular shape in accordance with the specification of the customer, so with a final phase of drawing. After the inline drawing, we have a phase where we clean and also we preheat the wire in order to enhance the adhesion of the peak to the wire. This is an internal phase that we have developed, so for our IP we are not showing it, but it is the key phase during the peak extrusion. After the peak extrusion on the copper wire, we have a cooling phase divided into an air cooling and a water cooling, and it is specifically designed to have the optimal crystallization of the peak, because the crystallinity degree of the peak is strictly related to the final thermal properties of the wire. During the peak production, we have also the possibility to control the defects on the wire, and we have two possibilities. The first one is the blister detection that we can detect with this laser instruments. But we have also the possibility to detect the pinhole on the insulation of the wire. And for this reason, we have a spark tester where we can check different voltage in order to satisfy the specific that the customer requires to us. But the same specification can be associated with the monitoring for the blister, where we can change the dimension of the defects.